This is how I 3D printed a PCAR for my Nerf gun. In this video, I'll share the design process, the 3D printing process, and the testing. I first started by grabbing my Nerf gun. I then took some measurements like barrel diameter and bullet diameter. Once I was done measuring, I started designing. I first started by making the body of the PCAR. I then made the ridges inside the PCAR. I did this by evenly spacing out 5 planes along the body. I then put the same design on each of those planes, but I made sure to rotate them 22.5 degrees more than the last for the twist. I then lofted those designs from one plane to the next to create the ridges. I then used fillets to round off the hard edges, and I was done with the designing. Now the next step is 3D printing. I first exported it from Fusion 360. I then uploaded it into Bamboo Studio. I changed the color, clicked Slice, Print. I made sure it was using the correct filament, and then I clicked Send. Then all I had to do was wait an hour and a half for the print to finish. And it turned out pretty good. Now it's time for testing. Without the PCAR, the score is 15. With the PCAR, the score is 23. Overall, the PCAR made the Nerf gun more accurate.
If you have a 3D printer and you want to print one of these, then all of the files available for download in the description.